there everyone, James Gar from Bragdon's Home Appliances. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for all the support on 1,000 fans on our Facebook page. Absolutely unbelievable, and I'd like to thank everyone. We wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys. As for the free fridge, we did the draw this morning. I'd like to congratulate Amie Larocque. That's Amie Larocque. Congratulations, and please get in contact with us to arrange the free fridge delivery. And as for everyone else, please stay tuned to our Facebook page as we're going to be doing many more giveaways and information, tips, and all that. So if you have any questions about your appliances or mattresses, please post it on our Facebook page, and we'd love to help you. Again, thank you everyone, and have a great day, and stay tuned. See you later.